Isiolo kuri makiria ma family kimwe kuma mwena wa oldonyiro gichigoini kia umbunge kia merti gukore kauntaini ino ya Isiolo ni magunikiite na uteithiowa indo cia mahuthiro kumanagia na gikundi kimwe gitari giakiithirikali ya action against hunger. Gikundi giki kirongoreirie makiria ma family 2,000.
Shukura, tumepata vyombo mingi hapa, sabuni, beseni na mtungi hapa. Tumepata kitu mingi sana kari kwa juu ya usafi, madawa safi.
For the staff who are going to distribute this, we want to make sure that they explain to the residents how it is used and give the necessary advice to our Isiolo residents who are going to receive these items.
Management of Oldonyiro are all at risk. Population of Merti, population of the lower Garbatula are all at risk. Actually, this is why this place is targeting those areas, and as well also the people who are living along Oldonyiro, the seasonal rivers. So it's almost 50,000 people that actually we estimate that they are in the hot spots for any eventualities of the outbreaks of diseases and rest.
So the earlier this item reach there, the better for the community to prepare themselves. So we really sincerely thank SCF for supporting 1,000 households with cash transfer and also non-food items. Actually, I call this cash plus because they get cash. On top of that, they get items also to support taking care of the nutrition and also hygiene. So we are really so grateful. We shall work very closely with you from the governor's office and also secretary's office so that our communities are going to be well prepared, and we are going to push, as I said earlier, for other partners also to send items in advance together with the special program office so that some of these crucial items can reach the communities.
And it is in both Isiolo and Mandera counties, and it's targeting Isiolo County, especially in areas of Oldonyiro, Garbatula and Merti sub-county. So what you have before you are some of the NFIs which are targeting 1,000 beneficiaries. So we have 600 beneficiaries from Oldonyiro. We have 520 beneficiaries from both Garbatula and Merti sub-counties. So the beneficiary was targeting 1,000 beneficiaries out of the 2,500 who had gotten cash transfer. So
anaruo ruhonge rwa kuramata farafara